Most people assume expensive water systems mean better results, more filters, more stages, more technology, so they look at the price and think, that must be the safest option. But over time, that assumption starts to break, because what looks like a one-time investment rarely is. At first, the cost is upfront. Hundreds, sometimes thousands. Installation, equipment, setup, and people accept it, because it feels like a long-term solution, something that will solve the problem. But then, the hidden layer appears. Maintenance. Filters need replacing. Parts wear out. Performance needs monitoring. And suddenly, the system isn't just something you own, it's something you manage. That's where the shift begins. Because the real cost isn't just the price tag. It's the ongoing responsibility. The real issue isn't the system itself. It's everything that comes with it. And over time, that weight becomes noticeable. Not immediately, but gradually. Because every few months, there's something to check, something to replace, something to maintain. And for something as basic as water, that starts to feel excessive. That's the turning point. People stop asking, what's the most advanced system? And start asking, what actually fits my life? Because complexity doesn't always equal better. Sometimes, it just means more friction. So people begin to look elsewhere. Not necessarily for something more powerful, but for something more practical. Something they can understand, control, maintain without effort. And that's where alternative approaches start gaining attention. Simpler setups, lower cost, more direct control. Because when a solution is simple, it tends to last. Not because it's perfect, but because it's usable, every day, without thinking. If you want to explore how some people are approaching this in a more practical and cost-effective way, there's a structured breakdown in the description that shows how it works step by step. And if you're interested in content that helps you rethink everyday systems like this with more clarity, consider subscribing. Because sometimes, the most expensive solution isn't the one that works best.